ready to unlock the true power of web hosting? Welcome to our detailed guide on the essence of cPanel hosting. Whether you're a website owner, developer, or an entrepreneur looking to establish a strong online presence, cPanel hosting can be your game changer. Stay tuned as we delve into the ins and outs of this user-friendly, efficient, and powerful web hosting control panel. Are you familiar with cPanel hosting? Stick around to explore why it's the go-to solution for managing your website effortlessly and efficiently. We'll walk you through its features, benefits, and how it can simplify your online journey. Join us on this journey to unleash the potential of cPanel hosting. Let's dive into how this hosting control panel simplifies website management and empowers users like never before. Are you new to website management? Fear not! cPanel hosting is tailored for beginners. Its intuitive interface simplifies the complexities of web hosting. Learn how to navigate effortlessly, manage emails, install apps, and much more, all with a few clicks. Ready to take your website to the next level? Discover the advanced tools cPanel offers. From customizing security settings to managing databases, we'll guide you through harnessing the full potential of these advanced features. In today's digital landscape, security is paramount. Let's explore how cPanel hosting provides robust security measures and backup solutions. Safeguard your website's data and keep it secure with the tools offered by cPanel. Want your website to perform at its peak? Dive into the performance optimization features within cPanel. From caching options to resource management, we'll show you how to enhance your website's speed and performance. Have multiple websites or subdomains? cPanel simplifies domain management. Learn how to add, remove, and configure domains effortlessly, all in one convenient place. Effective communication is key. Explore the email management features in cPanel. Set up email accounts, manage spam filters, and ensure smooth communication with your clients or audience. Working in a team? cPanel allows for seamless collaboration. Learn how to manage files, permissions, and collaborate effectively within the hosting environment. Looking to establish an online store? Discover the e-commerce capabilities of cPanel. We'll explore the tools and integrations available to kickstart your online business. Encountering issues? Don't worry! cPanel offers extensive support and resources. Learn where to find help, connect with the community, and troubleshoot common problems. As your website grows, so should your hosting. Explore how cPanel enables seamless upgrading and scaling to accommodate your expanding needs. Experience convenience with one-click installations. Discover how cPanel makes installing applications like WordPress, Joomla, and more a hassle-free process, allowing you to launch your website in no time. Understanding your website's performance is crucial. Explore the analytics and statistics tools in cPanel. Learn how to track visitors, analyze data, and gain insights for improving your site's performance. In a world prioritizing security, SSL certificates are a must. Explore how cPanel simplifies the process of obtaining and installing SSL certificates, ensuring secure connections for your website visitors. Dive into the world of databases with cPanel. Learn how to create, manage, and optimize databases for your website, ensuring seamless functionality and data management. Automation can save time and streamline tasks. Discover how cPanel's cron jobs enable you to automate routine tasks, making website management more efficient. Manage your website on the go. Learn how cPanel offers mobile-friendly access, allowing you to manage your website anytime, anywhere, directly from your mobile device. Interested in hosting for others? Explore cPanel's reseller capabilities, enabling you to create and manage multiple hosting accounts, making it an ideal solution for entrepreneurs and hosting businesses. Interested in hosting for others? Explore cPanel's reseller capabilities, enabling you to create and manage multiple hosting accounts, making it an ideal solution for entrepreneurs and hosting businesses. Efficiently manage files through FTP access. Learn how cPanel facilitates File Transfer Protocol (FTP) connections for smooth and secure file management. Backups are a safety net for your website. Explore how cPanel simplifies the backup and restoration process, ensuring your data is secure and restorable in case of unexpected events. Extend the functionality of your hosting with integrations and add-ons. Discover the wide range of third-party tools and plugins compatible with cPanel, allowing you to customize your hosting experience. And there you have it, the powerhouse that is cPanel hosting. It's a comprehensive solution designed to make your website management a breeze. From seamless navigation to a wide array of tools, it's a one-stop hub for all your hosting needs. Ready to elevate your online presence? Don't miss out on the advantages of cPanel hosting. Dive into the world of simplified website management and take the first step towards a more efficient online journey.